Bam, 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 bam. Attention all residents. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Parrish County Sheriff's Office. Recently, robots in the county of Parrish have been observed attacking residents who appear to be sleeping. These robots seem to have minds of their own. They seem to be using a state of psychological distress to mobilize their victims. Their victims appear to be disappearing, indicating that these robots are eating their victims alive. The Parrish County Sheriff's Office has issued a civil danger warning. If these robots are in your home, you must do everything you can to protect yourself, including the use of lethal force to protect yourself and others. Please stay tuned. The emergency alert system has been activated. Bam, 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 boo. Civil danger warning. I repeat, civil danger warning. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Parrish County Sheriff's Office. Recently, robots in the county of Parrish have been observed attacking residents who appear to be sleeping. Just moments ago, a bright flash of light was seen in the skies above Parrish County, causing a power outage throughout the entire county. This has angered the robots. Recent 604 calls have indicated that these robots are now attacking citizens who are wide awake. Do not go to sleep. I repeat, stay awake. If these robots are in your home, you must do anything you can to protect yourself and others, including the use of lethal force. Please remain vigilant. The emergency alert system has been activated. Bam, 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 bam. Attention all residents. This is an all clear message. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Parrish County Sheriff's Office. The civil danger warning has been lifted. The robots have been seen shutting down due to an overload in their systems. Please remain vigilant. A travel advisory has been put in effect for the Parrish County and the surrounding areas. Please, do not approach these robots as they can still be dangerous due to falling over on top of people and crushing them. We will send some officers by to collect these robots, and we will be sending them into a secret lab to be tested to figure out why they malfunctioned. Please remain vigilant until then. If these robots are in your home, then please do not approach them as they can still be extremely dangerous. Thank you for your cooperation. This is an all-clear message. Normal programming will begin at the tone. Bam, bam, bam. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. I needed you, needed you, needed you. Needed to. Bam, bam, Attention all citizens. This is not a test. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Camera government. Last night, robots have been observed attacking residents of Parrish County as they slept in the night. Well, at 6:30 a.m. this morning, the Parrish County Sheriff's Office gave the all-clear signal. And just moments ago, the entire population of Parrish County has vanished. We assume that the robots must have powered back on, must have been turned back on somehow. And now the entire population of Parrish County has gone missing. We will continue to search for the residents of Parrish County. In the meantime, residents of surrounding areas are urged to take the following actions: close and lock all doors and windows, cover all windows, turn off all lights, and be extremely quiet. Only call 604 in the event of a life-threatening emergency. If you see one of these robots, then please call the sheriff's office immediately. Thank you for your cooperation. Beep, beep, beep.